Will technology help humans expand their lifespan significantly? Do we have the capacity to live 150, 200 years, or even forever? Living 200 years or longer might sound like a sci-fi fantasy, but maybe it is not as crazy as it sounds. Scientists recently found Greenland sharks, where evidence suggests that the oldest were around 400 years old. If you like videos about the future, remember to like and subscribe. Today, women in Japan have an average life expectancy of 88 years. In 1900, the life expectancy of men in the United Kingdom was 44 and 48 for women. Both WHO and the FDA has now labeled aging as a disease. In other words, it makes sense to look at the aging process as something we could eventually cure. It has been estimated that a 65-year-old male in average health has a 35% of reaching 90, and for women this number is 46%. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can greatly increase these odds. Key factors include 1. Don't smoke. Heavy smokers decrease life by an average of 13 years. 2. Stay slim. Obesity reduces average life expectancy by 10 years. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption also reduces life expectancy significantly. 4. Too little sleep is also known to reduce longevity. Good habits might go a long way to increase your chances of becoming 90 or even 100 years old. But if we want to live till 150 years, we need to rely on new technologies. Some key breakthroughs seem to be happening currently. It's difficult to predict if there will be age-reversing technologies available by 2050. However, there has been significant advances in medical research and technology in recent years. There are several research initiatives and scientific studies aimed at understanding the mechanisms of aging and developing interventions to slow or reverse the process. Some promising areas of research include gene and stem cell therapy. Some researchers are investigating the use of stem cells to regenerate or repair damaged tissues and organs that occur with age, such as muscle, bone, and cartilage. Other studies are examining the use of gene therapy to boost the body's natural defenses against aging-related diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, researchers are exploring the use of gene therapy to lengthen telomeres, which are protective caps on the ends of chromosomes that shorten as we age. Senolytic drugs is another potential way to stop or reverse aging. Senolytic drugs target and eliminate so-called zombie cells, which are cells that have stopped dividing and no longer function properly. These cells can accumulate in tissues as we age, and they have been linked to various age-related diseases, including osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease, and Alzheimer's disease. By eliminating these cells, senolytic drugs have the potential to improve age-related health conditions and increase lifespan. In preclinical studies, senolytic drugs have been shown to improve a range of age-related conditions in mice. However, it is important to note that these studies have yet to be replicated in humans, and the long-term effects of senolytic drugs are not yet fully understood. Will above or other technologies stop or reverse aging by 2050? We don't know, but the speed of development within AI can help this progress. Think about this. If you are a 30-year-old person today, you will only be 57 in 2050. If you do everything you can to slow aging in the meantime, you could be in the best form of your life. If by 2050, we still can't reverse or stop aging, perhaps we can at least slow it down by 50%. So in 2070, when your age is 77, your biological age would only be 67. Let's now imagine that science can slow aging by 75% in 2070. You would only age 5 years biologically until 2090. I am sure you get the picture. When aging stops, we theoretically live forever. Does this sound impossible? It does to most of us. However, if we told a person living in 1973 about the advances we achieved in 2023, they would have had a hard time believing it. Computers are a billion times more powerful. The internet, ChatGPT, DNA mapping would all seem completely unreal, to name a few things. Yet we must also remember that some developments have been slower than expected. Transportation is not that different from the 70s, with cars, buses, trains, and even airplanes looking roughly the same. To conclude, anything powered by computer speed has been revolutionized, while physical things such as houses, cars, planes, clothes, furniture has developed at a much slower pace. Only the future will tell if humans will be able to significantly slow, stop, and even reverse aging. But just because it sounds unbelievable doesn't mean it is. See you in the far future.